This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Nancy Bryce. Welcome to Webb, Lake Oconee's premier active adult community. This stunning, meticulously maintained Martin Ray features 2 beds and 2 baths with 2,178 square feet. The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining, featuring a spacious living room with a corner fireplace that flows into the bright gourmet kitchen. A true centerpiece complete with upgraded cabinets, large center island, walk-in pantry, dedicated coffee station, and stainless steel appliances. The primary suite features a double vanity, separate shower, and a generous walk-in closet. There are beautiful wood floors throughout the main living area and custom barn doors in the office/flex room. The extended 2-car garage has space for a golf cart, workbench or extra storage, and custom walk-up stairs with tons of additional storage above garage. Relax and enjoy the beautifully manicured yard from the covered back patio while your fur babies play in the partially fenced yard. Golf cart-friendly neighborhood enhances the lifestyle with convenient access to boat ramp, docks, and on-site storage. Amenities include clubhouse, fitness center, in- and outdoor pools, tennis and pickleball courts, and a vibrant calendar of social events. Lawn maintenance included. Experience comfort and resort-style living all in one exceptional home. For more information